Hello, it's Andrew here from Life and Pig Row, and today we're going to be planting a crabapple tree. I'd like to tell you what the variety is, but I can't remember because I've had it in the garden for so long that I've forgotten. I put it in a pot. This is what gardeners do. They get stuff, they put it in pots and they forget what it is, but I do know it's a crabapple tree, and we're going to plant it into a hedge. So I'm going to show you how to plant a tree, and this holds true for any tree that you're planting, both bare root or with a ball around it, which we mean by that a soil ball. So it comes in a pot basically. We call it a root ball. Why did I call it a soil ball? I don't know. It's one of those days. So let's go and see what we're going to be planting. So Carol has kindly dug me a hole, and the hole is a square hole, and the simple reason for that, and here's the science folks, if you plant something that's already round, like this, in a round hole, the roots are just going to keep going around and around and around and around and not break out. So the idea is to plant something like this in a square hole. So if I just lift this in, I've been growing this as a bare rooted plant in a pot. Now, common question we get asked is, how do I know that's the right planting depth? Now, here comes a little tip. Get your spade, you put it across, and you should see where the soil level is, and you'll see that for me it falls below the roots, which is what I want. Now I want to add one more thing. This is how easy it is to plant a tree. I'm not going to stake this because it's in a hedge. If I was going to stake it, if it stood on its own, I would put a stake in at a 45-degree angle away from the roots and use a proper tree tie. Okay, before we even start on that, I am going to give this something it desperately needs, and that is mycorrhiza fungi, which I've got some here. And we're going to just sprinkle it around like so, and that should be enough. Probably a bit too much because I'm quite happy with that. And then all we need to do then is go in and pull the soil back over that Carol has moved to the side for me. And you see straight away we're at the right depth for the tree, and it's in the middle of my hedge where I want it to be. I want the hedge to grow around it. I'll prune the hedge to a certain height. The tree will get higher than the hedge, and eventually we'll have a lovely mixed hedge, and that tree will get really big over the years because it is a vigorous tree, the crabapple, and it'll be really happy. If you want to be absolutely perfect, you might want to go in and just say, right, I'm going to just firm it down, just using my weight, not all of it, just a foot in, and then that's it. And again, make sure the soil is around it, and that's it. That's a crabapple tree done. All you need to do now is water it. You always water new plants in, and then away it will go. So, one crabapple tree into a hedge. It's that easy. I don't understand when people go about, we don't plant trees, it's too difficult. Trees are one of the most rewarding, easiest plants to have in your garden, and we do need more of them. And over this next year we will be planting more trees within our hedges, more hedges as well. We're going to really push for a wildlife garden up the top of this garden, which will sit next to the new veg plot. But if you want to see us do that, then you have to do one thing. You have to like this video, and you have to subscribe to our channel, or else you won't find out what we're doing. And every Saturday we are here, come rain or shine, except for Christmas. We do take 2 weeks off, and some of the holidays we do take some weeks off. But other than that, we are here, keeping it real, keeping it planting, and hopefully keeping it green. So until next time, bye bye.